Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY, and many more. So let's get started. And my dear friends, if you are new to trading, if you do not know much about the charts and all, then I have a separate course on my YouTube playlist. You can learn from there free of cost. You'll find it on the playlist section. There are around 30 to 35 videos that will give you the basic idea about the functioning of the market, about how the charts work and all. Okay, you can also try those if you're new to trading. Anyways, let's start with the Forex sentiment meter. You'll find it on my website, abhilashazarika.com, under the Forex 101 section. So the Forex sentiment meter is telling us a different story here. So 51% retail traders have taken short position and 48% are on the long side. Means that they have taken buy position. Usually we see market always moving against the sentiment meter because this is the sentiment of the retail traders. But in case of GBP USD, we can see that there is a confusion going on among the retail traders. The retail traders are also not sure in which direction the market will move. So for GBP USD, the sentiment meter is not giving us any direction. Usually we prefer to take trades against the sentiment meter because we usually see that only. Okay, but right now the sentiment meter is not giving us any clear direction. We can just understand that the retail traders are also confused right now. Okay, so before I proceed, I would like to talk about the DXY, because if you have watched my previous videos on the market, and you know it very well that I focus on DXY very much, because I believe that if you want to trade on USD pairs, or if you trade on USD pairs, you must be knowing the movement of US dollar. So dollar is again taking support. Yes, surprisingly, dollar is again taking support at the zone of 95.50 to 95.40. When market broke this level, I thought that this level is gone. But yes, dollar is again taking support. So it gives us the clear-cut indication that yes, this is a valid support, and we will see dollar respecting this level in the coming week as well. But my dear friend, we have two possibilities for US dollar. First of all, dollar taking support and bouncing from here. So if dollar bounces from the support zone, we will see some selling on GBP USD, because when dollar goes up, we generally see GBP USD going down, and when dollar goes down, we generally see GBP USD going up. So if dollar bounces from here, then there will be some selling on GBP USD, and if dollar breaks the support and starts going down, then we will see some buying on recovery on GBP USD. Okay, so keep your eye on DXY. And this is our 4-hour chart of GBP USD. Last traded price is 1.3553. This is the last traded price of GBP USD. In my earlier videos also, I have clearly discussed that we have an important support. I won't say that very strong support, supreme support, but yes, it is an important support in this market. 1.3530. Yeah. So on Monday, if you see market coming down, then there is a possibility of GBP USD respecting 1.3530 level, and good chance of market bouncing from here. Okay, 1.3530 to 1.3500. This is a whole support zone for the market. Okay, always keep in mind that support and resistance level always work in a zone. Okay, so if market comes down to this level, there is a good possibility of market bouncing because of support present here, and this is also the Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level. So this makes the level quite reliable. Okay. Moreover, if you look at the volume profile, then we can see the volume profile has also given us the additional confirmation that yes, my dear brothers and sisters, you can rely on this level. Clear? And if it goes up, then you can see that the previous support of 1.3600 is now the new resistance for the market. 1.3590 to 1.3600 is the resistance. So there's a possibility of market reversing from this level. So if market reverses from this level, if you see some good selling from above, and if you see price being rejected from above, then definitely you can take a sell position. Whatever you do, my dear friend, always keep in mind that confirmation is always essential. Confirmation is the insurance of traders. Okay, so if you are going for a buy order, just watch whether market is respecting the support zone or not, and you'll get a confirmation in the form of a hammer pattern. Sorry about the drawing. Hammer pattern. It may be a bullish pin bar, or it can be a bullish engulfing pattern. This gives us the confirmation that yes, buyers are still present in the market, they are respecting the level, and yes, market has the intention of going up. Okay, and on the other hand, if market goes up and reverses from the resistance, you'll get the confirmation in the form of a shooting star pattern. It can be a bearish pin bar, or it can be what a bearish engulfing pattern. Yeah, you'll get the confirmation from these candlesticks. Okay, so confirmation is essential, and these are the only levels that I see on the market right now. And in case market breaks the level, let's say there is a sudden buying on DXY bounces from the support zone and DXY gets extremely bullish, then definitely, my dear friend, market will break the level, this level, and it will be going down. And we have the next big support on GBP USD at 1.3400 to 1.3410. Okay, so these are the levels that I see on the chart of GBP USD right now, and these are the only important levels for the market right now. And that's it. Okay, and this is my analysis. If I have missed anything, then please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. And whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, because my analysis can be wrong as well. So for my wrong analysis, you should not be losing your hard-earned money. Okay, so risk only 2 to 3% of your trading capital. That's the proper discipline. Okay, and that's it. Nothing else to talk about. All the best. Honestly, I have been avoiding GBP USD for quite some time because the chart was not giving us any clear directions. In fact, in my previous videos also, I have clearly mentioned that GBP USD's chart is not a very promising one, very convincing one. Okay, so but right now I think that yes, there are certain levels we have where we can trade around. So let's see where the market goes, and that's it. Okay, bye bye. Take care and see you on Monday.